Hello, everyone. Yeah, it's time for us again to learn. Let's learn together again. Um, yeah, let's talk about getting a temporary PIN number from the support team, just in case we forgot our PIN or we got an issue. We can never use our existing pin. We have a way. Don't worry, folks. We have a way for that. We just need to raise a ticket to support team, and they will give us a temporary pin, and then we can change our previous pin using the temporary pin. So yeah, I would show you how to raise a ticket to the support team in order to get a temporary pin. So first thing I would need to do is to share my screen. Okay, I believe you can now see my screen. So I would need to log in into my account, and here you go. We need to click the three lines on the left top side, and if we look down, we're gonna see the support ticket button. We just need to click that one, and then here we go. Click the create ticket, and there we just need to this one, select the reset secondary password, and then we just need to put the subject as PIN, PIN, and then tell them the details, tell the story what had happened to your PIN, then just click submit, and yeah, that's what we need to do if we wanted a temporary password from the support team, so we could still go on. We can reset our old password, our old PIN, I mean, and then yeah, we can still go on with our business. Yeah, that's all for now, folks. Thank you for listening and learning with me. See you again next time. Thank you.